If you saw this as noodles, or heard this as an icy drink, you are not thinking clearly. Just like many Indonesians during Ramadan, withstanding thirst in the middle of tropical heat, blurring all their senses, imagining all kinds of refreshments. So, as the brand that promotes clear thinking, Sprite was curious to test out your senses with...
Ini bukan suara Sprite. Nyatanya, ini suara drum.
Using things that are not Sprite. Sprite made a reminder for people to keep thinking clearly. Then, from its audio ads, Sprite led them to its social media to see and hear the truth clearly by themselves. The results were refreshing, sparked conversations across social media. Sprite successfully provoked people to clear their senses during Ramadan, because the truth is, it's always refreshing to think clearly.
Sprite nyatanya nyegerin.